The monkey house, an A-frame wooden home in the Brazilian forest, was built on many slim stilts between the trees of Paraty, allowing the home to avoiding any interference in the native vegetation. Designed by Atelier Marko Brajovic, the house's exterior is covered by a galvalume skin with thermoacoustic insulation, while the main framing of the home is garapira wood, a tropical hardwood that is dark in color. A metal stairs with black handrails lead up to the front door of the home. Inside, there's a long countertop that runs along the windows and includes a sink and open shelving, while underneath the stairs is another countertop and a small fridge. The living room and dining area that includes a day bed, a hammock, and a small bar table with stools. Furniture is a mix of Japanese and indigenous design. Wood stairs connect to the upper level of the home that includes a bedroom with floor-to-ceiling windows. The curtains are made locally using fishing nets. A bathroom is located on the middle floor. In addition to the vanity area, there's a walk-in shower and a toilet behind a door. The roof shelters a top-floor terrace that creates a multifunctional space for physical activities, study, and meditation. Here are a look at the floor plans.